Today we're looking at how to create a tri-layered mirror effect which splits your video into three stacked sections, giving a cool mirrored reflection look. Perfect for music videos or aesthetic edits. Let's get started. First, import your clip into CapCut and tap on it to select. Now, head to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects because this effect applies directly to your clip. Inside the categories, open the Split tab. Here, find an effect called Tri-Layered Mirror and tap to apply it. Right away, your footage will display three vertically arranged mirrored copies of the original clip, creating a stylized layered look. To customize it, tap the effect again to open adjustment sliders, vertical. This slider shifts the mirrored layers up or down. Use it to reposition the reflections for a balanced layout. Filter adds a color overlay or tint so you can change the tone of the mirrored layers. Great for aesthetic or themed edits. You can adjust the duration by dragging the effect's edges on the timeline. That's it. You've successfully created a tri-layered mirror effect in CapCut Mobile. Quick and super creative. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing tricks.